Welcome to the Audi S3 Quattro walk around video. It's a Sportback on this one. 3-door. Nice big alloys on the wheels with the quadruple, as you can tell by the name, exhaust here, as you can see, making a lovely hum as it idles. Going round and looking at just the condition of these wheels specifically for this car, looks great. Privacy tint on the back and the rear windscreen, so you can get a look at the profile of the wheels. Obviously we prep them and make sure that the car's at a really high spec when it leaves, if purchased. But you can see the profile of the wheels, the depth in which they go. Nice and wide, look. There we are. Opening up and going inside. Forgive me for the aircon. It is actually currently, as you can see by the dashboard, 2 degrees. So fairly chilly. But now we're inside on the warm with the heated seats. I can take you through the inside. Just here you can choose all sorts of settings and control everything else. But here, you've got the radio, you've got media selection, you've got navigation, and you've got your telephone connections. Aircon selections, now we've got a pretty self-explanatory system here. On and off for the complete aircon system in the car. Heated seats on either side for the passenger and the driver. Strength controls on both. Windscreen, front blow, downwards blow, recurrence of air, and heated screens again. But you've also got your 180 controlled air fans as well, so you can make sure you get exactly the area you want instead of having to go up and down or side to side and not really getting the angle you want. A classic Audi look. That goes on the left, sorry, that goes on the right, and that goes on the left. You've got a nice Quattro edition here as well, and that silver trim that we saw on the wing mirrors and slightly on the outside of the car continues in the inside. I like how in the Audi, unlike a lot of other cars, the dashboard and the center console, it's all very simple, it's all very easy to understand, it's smart, it's executive, but you've also got that really hard sport push or kick behind the car as well, so you don't need to compromise on look for performance. You've got both in one nice little package with this S3. Now we've got leathered steering wheel with white stitching, lovely accent. We've got chrome and gloss black acrylic to trim out the steering wheel controls. Space in the back is minimal, but as it's the same in the BMW 1 Series, the back space isn't really what this car's made for. Now we have all the car mats in here, etc. We've got the Audi A3 official boot liner addressed with an Audi A3 logo on it. You can pull this up and you've got a space saver, a very thin tyre. If you don't know what that is, it's just to save space in the back of the boot rather than having the full size wheel in the back. Lashing points and tethering points on the back of the seats. You can close that down. Oh, we've got something up here. What's this? So that's where your hazard sign is if you ever, God forbid, break down. Overall, a beautiful car, one for the enthusiast, one for the petrol head. A lovely conditioned car as well, been really looked after this one. Looks fantastic for a used car. I wouldn't mind getting this as brand new. Now that is coming in at $17,995 at the moment. Price may change. But if you are looking to inquire about this vehicle or any vehicle, go to anchorcars.co.uk into Google. You'll find us. We're based in Reading in Berkshire, south of the UK. We can deliver across the UK as well, so if you can't make it down, obviously hopefully this video was in depth enough for you to fully make a decision. If not, you're more than welcome to come down, have a look, give us a call. One of our sales team will be happy to help. We're always on here on the number, and we also have a landline, and we're open 7 days a week. It's been Jamie from Anchor Cars. Thank you very much.